Uganda didn't start yesterday. Uganda has been growing since. Actually, our first gathering for the independence was in 2012. Good afternoon, everyone. Ex-chairpersons, incoming chairperson, and all the distinguished guests, thank you all for coming through. Uganda didn't start yesterday. Uganda has been growing since. Actually, our first gathering for the independence was in 2012. That was way, way back. And actually, if I look at the faces that were there, then Miss Harriet Lois, actually, she's also an ex-chairperson, together with Mr. Emmanuel Labeja right there, were the ones that really prayed for that occasion, and I believe they blessed it, because ever since then we have never looked back. Okay? And then since that time, of course, we had to look at the ways in which we have to strengthen our state in Thailand, and that's how we've evolved up to where we are today. A brief explanation on how we got together. After the 2012, we had various places, as people lived in various places. There were people in Mimburi, Petkasem, even outside outside Bangkok and stuff like that. And then by 2015, of course, WhatsApp came, Line, everything. WhatsApp groups came through, and we also formed groups there. We had Ugandans in Thailand, which had to be the main one, of course. It was a quick name that was adopted, but then we had, of course, we got the entertainers, Uganda Cranes as well. Our job was just mainly only entertainment and making sure people come together, because recreation is very important. That's why whenever we have a get together, we always have some sports there. That's very important, never leave it out. We had Ugandans in the shadows. We had Magufuli as well. I see the vice chairperson right there of Magufuli. Okay, so, but then again, we thought it wise and got a few communications here and there between the groups. Importance of this, please, the community is an ideology. WhatsApp groups are just groups for us to chat and do whatever, keep in touch with each other, find out what's going on, but the ideology must not die. That's why we are here, because of the ideology, not because of the various sects of where we come from or whichever groups where we belong. Okay? So with that, I would say thank you for this opportunity, for giving me the chance to talk a little bit about the history of our gatherings and community and getting together. If there is any question, I'm open for one or two, and if there isn't, please excuse me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Adrian, for laying the foundation of this we are celebrating today.
mazina mpaka tuwekele. Sasa kuna masaji wa wewe. Isha bole koko tuwewele.